equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These will help you perform a thorough maintenance check on your Dyson HS hairdryer. First, unplug the device to ensure safety. Start by removing the filter cover located at the back of the dryer. This is typically secured with a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the filter cover. You may notice a buildup of lint and dust. Using your soft brush, carefully clean the filter and the surrounding area. This step is crucial as it ensures proper airflow and prevents overheating. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. Next, inspect the internal components. Look for any visible dust or debris inside the dryer. Using the microfiber cloth, wipe down the interior surfaces gently. Avoid using any liquids or harsh chemicals, as these can damage the internal parts. If you encounter any stubborn dirt, a slightly damp cloth can be used, but ensure it's not dripping wet. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble the dryer. Align the filter cover back onto the device and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling during use. If you're unsure about the reassembly, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can have peace of mind knowing what to expect. Now, let's move on to the power cord. Inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any fraying or exposed wires, it's best to stop using the dryer immediately and consult a professional. Our service includes no calls, no travel, so you can have your device checked without any hassle. Finally, plug the dryer back in and perform a quick test. Turn it on to ensure it's functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate a problem. If everything sounds good, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your Dyson HS hairdryer. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your device but also ensures optimal performance. If you ever feel overwhelmed by the process, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We are here to help you keep your hairdryer in top condition. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.